How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to guide. If you're also trying to hide the mutual friends that you have with someone on Facebook, let me show you how you can remove this list. Head over to the app of Facebook, tap on the menu on the top right. From here scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings and then head over to profile settings. And under privacy, tap on the privacy option, and under your activity again you'll have an option of hiding your friends. So you can see an option called who can see your friend list. Just tap on this option and make sure that it is selected to only me. This way your friends list will be hidden from other people and will only be visible to you. So this is the way that you can hide mutual friends in Facebook. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.